a couple days ago.
I'm gonna drink my water.
Go get it.
Wait, you may help me film off Snapchat because I'm the best to film.
No, I'm just filming on a regular phone. On a regular picture thing.
I can see why my cousin stays
It's literally
inside the
pitch
house.
black on my phone.
I can see why my cousin always, whenever we did fireworks with her and her family, then she would hide. Then she would go in the house and watch. When some of the adults made her
have to
watch,
set 'em up.
she was crying.
What are they doing?
Where's Jackson?
One for you. Let me get your bed.
Southern Boone Fireworks.
They
How
turned
about you
the
just record the
it's,
sky?
it's pitch black. I can't even
Just record the sky.
Don't record it right now.
I am.
Record the sky. Record the sky. The sky.
No.
Why?
Wait until they light them up.
Follow him and his laser pointer. Is he a firework now? I feel like he's gonna blow up.
What?
My water. Oh.
I think he's checking for Bigfoot. This is all woods. They live by woods where Bigfoot
Or
lives.
Slender.
Bigfoot mostly because Bigfoot mostly lives in the woods where there's trees, a lot of trees.
Slender lives in the middle of the woods. And
Yeah, and this is not his woods though.
You probably heard something and thought
But-
it was an animal.
People do call like a forest Slenderman Forest.
Yeah, also, guess what? Do you watch Infinite?
Yeah.
Yes.
He was recording and he caught Slender Man.
Okay.
That was awesome! And that was recording!
That was horrible!
No! He got shot!
He got shot. He said I gotta make a run for it. I'm like, not today.
What happened? Y'all say I'm crazy.
Dude, Alan had to run for his life.
Every dang year.
Come here, Papa.
She's always the crazy one.
No, you're not the crazy one. That stuff happens all the time. My stepbrother, a couple years ago, a firework came in his eye.
Ashley.
Who's the crazy one now?
Oh my gosh. This is awesome.
I love this. You bring my smile.
No, he's sitting there, baby. Come over here.
When do we get the little one? He says not today. Not today. Satan was trying to kill him.
This is my spot. Why is my water here? It's my spot.
You can sit over here, Jordan. Come over here.
Okay.
You'll be safer with me.
How many? I didn't tell my mom, but then I forgot.
Come here.
Okay, I'm in the video.